Right now, beneath your feet, the ground is moving at 1,000 miles per hour. You can't feel it. You never have. Not a single moment of your life have you felt this planet hurtling through space, spinning on its axis, carrying you along for the ride. But what if tomorrow morning it just stopped? 4.5 billion years ago, a massive cloud of gas and dust started collapsing under its own gravity. As it collapsed, it began to spin, the same way a figure skater speeds up when they pull their arms in. That spin got transferred to every planet, every moon, every rock in this solar system. Earth inherited that rotation, and for 4.5 billion years, it hasn't stopped. Not once. Through ice ages, through extinctions, through everything humanity has ever built or destroyed, the planet just kept turning. But physics has a rule. Everything that spins can stop. So what happens to us when it does? Let's say it happens tonight, midnight. Earth stops. Instantly, you're asleep in your bed. The room is quiet. But here's the thing. Your body doesn't stop. Newton's first law, an object in motion stays in motion. You've been traveling east at 1,000 miles per hour your entire life. Every single second of every single day. You just didn't know it. The moment Earth stops, you keep going. Everything does. You'd be launched eastward like a bullet. Through your walls, through your roof, into a world being sandblasted by supersonic winds. The atmosphere was spinning with us. Now it's not. 1,000 miles per hour winds, faster than the speed of sound. Every building scoured clean, every forest flattened, every coastline reshaped in minutes, cities that took centuries to build, gone in seconds. And this is just the first 30 seconds. Now, think about the oceans. Right now, Earth's spin pushes water toward the equator. That's why Earth bulges at the middle. Stop the spin and that force vanishes. Gravity pulls all that water toward the poles. The Arctic and Antarctic flood with new oceans, over half a mile deep. Meanwhile, the equator dries up. Land buried underwater for millions of years rises from the ocean floor. Same planet, completely unrecognizable. But here's the part that keeps me up at night. If Earth stops spinning, day and night are gone, forever. One side of the planet faces the sun, permanently. Temperatures climb past 200 degrees. Rivers evaporate. Oceans slowly boil away. The other side faces permanent darkness, minus 150 degrees. A frozen, silent wasteland. The only survivable place on Earth would be the Terminator line, the razor-thin boundary between eternal day and eternal night. A few hundred miles wide. That's it. That's all we'd have. All 8 billion of us, every animal, every ecosystem, compressed into one narrow band of twilight at the edge of the world. We'd be refugees on our own planet. And we're still not done. Earth's magnetic field, the invisible shield protecting us from the sun's deadly radiation, is generated by liquid iron. Deep in Earth's core, spinning. Stop the planet. That movement slows. The magnetic field weakens. Over thousands of years, it collapses entirely. The sun's solar wind hits our atmosphere directly. No buffer, no defense. Layer by layer, our atmosphere gets stripped away into space. We've seen this before. It's called Mars. Mars used to have oceans, a thick atmosphere, maybe even life. Then its core cooled. Its magnetic field died. The sun did the rest. Today, Mars is a dead, frozen desert. Without our magnetic field, that's exactly where we'd be headed. Okay, take a breath. Earth is slowing down. That's real. But at the current rate, it'll take 5 billion years to stop. And long before that, the sun itself will have swallowed the Earth whole. The universe ends us before we can end ourselves. Every morning when the sun rises, it's not the sun that's moving. It's you, your house, your city, rotating toward the light the same way it has every morning for billions of years. This planet has never stopped spinning. Not for a war, not for a plague, not for the rise or fall of any civilization. It carried the dinosaurs. It carried the ice ages. It carried you, and it's still going. So the next time the world feels like it's falling apart, remember, at least it's still turning. And as long as it turns, the sun will rise again. Think about that for a moment. Right now, as you watch this, you are standing on a rock hurtling through the void at tens of thousands of miles per hour, orbiting a star that is itself moving through a galaxy that is drifting through a universe so vast, no number can describe it. And in the middle of all that chaos, this planet holds you, keeps you warm, keeps the air around you, gives you a sunrise every single morning without fail. 4.5 billion years of loyalty. The least we can do is notice.